Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. We are about to close the 4 hour bullish on Ethereum. I think that as of right now, I would say that after this closes in about 22 minutes, I do think Ethereum is going to completely surpass 39.87. Previous moves right now have been from, let me see, from 31.69 to a jump to 34.78, so around a 3K jump. Another jump from 34.26 all the way to 38.40, so another 4K jump. The most previous one has been kind of tiny, which was from from 37.8 all the way up to 40.27, so around 3K. Um, so anywhere between a 3K jump to a 4K jump, I'm actually expecting on Ethereum over the next 4 hours or so. Or actually, sorry, not 4 hours, maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe within the next day. So I'm thinking that we might possibly see a like a 4K 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So like a 4200 Ethereum within the next 20 hours or so. That's what I'm kind of thinking. We can more than likely see in the next couple of hours, because it seems like Ethereum is being pretty strict on following the 4 hour chart right now. Um, and just looking at what's happened ever since August 30th, I think, since it actually had the start of the 4 hour flow, the 4 hour pattern on the 4 hour chart. I can definitely see us moving straight to the upside, at least a couple of $1,000, completely surpassing what is it called? Completely surpassing that resistance of 39.87. Which I hate when it does this, because I can't find the candle. Damn it! What the heck? Let me see. It's gonna be 30. I'll just put it at 39.87. I think that should be okay. Forecast from here. Whoops. 39. Somewhere here. We'll do like 39.87. Wow, did we really only move $200? Oh, sorry. Yeah, I don't know why I was thinking thousands. I don't know. I was thinking thousands, but yeah, hundreds. So the next move I can see. So the first move was actually 300, 400, and then 200. So I think anywhere between 200 and $400 move we can actually expect to the upside. So anywhere we can end up being at 40, like 9, 40. Like we could end up, yeah, like I said, we could end up being either somewhere between 41 and like $4,300 for Ethereum in the next 20 hours or so. At least that's what I'm thinking. Um, at least what the pushes seem to be, right? So we have a day in 4 hours, 16 hours, 12 hours. So I think at minimum, I would have to be conservative and say at least 20 hours or so, right? At least a full day, 20 hours. So I think that by Monday, we can actually see Ethereum at anywhere between 41 and 4,300, at least somewhere around this price range, just because what it's been doing in the historical runs. Keep in mind the daily looks like it's about to break on the bear side, so we can definitely do something like this. As of right now, I wouldn't think that Ethereum is actually going to go down. I think that if anything, if it does break to the bear side, it would probably do something like it happened back between August 8th and like August 30th. So basically the full month of August, we just traded sideways, and then you had that major pop up in the beginning of September. The weekly is looking, yeah, the weekly is not going to break bearish. And again, I'm still 100% bullish, or we're still in a bear cycle, but I still think I'm still bullish until this weekly closes bear. So until we have a little green dot created like this, like back in May 17th, until we have that green dot created, I am still bullish. There's no reason why I would be bear right now. I am going to be bearish once we actually have a trigger on the reverse MACD. So just letting you guys know, I will be bearish once that happens. I want to see what the momentum is like to the downside. But as of right now, I can easily see, you know, easily see Ethereum anywhere between 4,100 and 4,300 within the next 20 hours or so, more than likely before Monday. And it goes back to my original forecast on Ethereum, which actually goes all the way back to, let's see. Yeah, so my original forecast which goes back to July. So in July, I actually forecasted that I thought that we were gonna go from, lows of like 1683 around this level, around like 1,700 bucks, all the way up to, well, actually not up there, all the way up to 4,300, close to 4,400 within 42 days. So I'm thinking that by September 5th, we can probably get pretty near there. And I forecasted this back in July. So, and again, that was a forecast based off of a previous historical run in the same setup when we actually when we actually made a bullish crossover on the weekly reverse MACD. So keep in mind, for the most part, it's doing pretty well and it's pretty accurate. And then this forecast is actually from the previous video that I made specifically for my Patreons, where I talk about something else. Yeah, as far as right now, definitely bullish on Ethereum, and I would actually be more surprised to not see Ethereum between 4,100 and 4,300 by like Monday or so. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.